What's up, guys? I'm super excited. Today we're going to be unboxing the Traxxas TRX4 2021 Ford Bronco. So check it out, guys. Alright guys, so here's the box. One side of the box, it has all the details. I'm not going to go over all the details, but feel free to pause the video and go over what you like. But I will tell you it has, a high torque servo, waterproof electronics. It has a steel frame, locking differential, 2-speed, 3S system, aluminum shocks, and also my favorite, this clipless body mounting system. This is what's included in the box, and this is what you'll need to run it. It comes with a 3S capable ESC, a brush motor, a toolkit, an owner's manual, and a transmitter. Man, she looks fresh. I'll tell you, that paint looks amazing. The details in person are not like what it's in this video. I mean, obviously it looks amazing in this video, but wow, it looks so realistic, so scale, and I'm just super happy with it. Here comes with an owner's manual on how to set it up. I think this is really cool. It comes with diagrams on how everything comes apart, so you know what parts go where, what screws go where. So it's really cool. Check it out, guys. We got some sweet stickers here. Toolkit. And we can't forget the transmitter, guys. So here's the clipless body mount, 2 in the rear, 2 in the front. It's very simple and easy and comes right off. This is my first time doing it, so had a little bit of a hassle with it. This undercarriage looks outstanding. The steel frame, the fenders to keep the water out, and the details all along it look great. We're going to need a battery, so I went ahead and got a 5000 mAh 3S battery. Since I bought the Traxxas battery, I might as well buy the Traxxas charger. Alright, for the moment that we've been waiting for, let's get this thing charged up and ready to go, guys. Alright guys and gals, now that we went over everything, let's flip our mirrors, squish our tires, and check our flex. I think we're ready to hit the trail. So the following day, I noticed there was surface rust on all the metal parts. So I went ahead and cleaned all that rust off and sprayed it down with WD-40. This will help prevent rust in the future. So every time I clean it off now, I'm going to make sure to spray it down with water, air compress it, and WD-40 it after. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and look out for more content. Thank you guys.